Hi everyone, and welcome to a brief tutorial on getting started with the Mobilizz billing portal. First things first, who is this video for? So this video is for those who would like to pay invoices, have use for custom statements such as your accounts payable or billing teams. By the end of this video, you will know how to log into the portal, pay current bills, view past bills, and run statements for custom periods. Okay, let's get started. First thing you're going to have is a credential email that will be sent to you, and you will have your username set up for you just here, and just click this billing portal setup link. This will then take you to your browser where you can set up a password and just click set password. Once you log in, this is the home page here. On the left, you'll see any announcements or notes that we might want to inform you with. On the right, your account summary showing what you owe. You can manage payments, view and pay current invoices or past invoices, and generate statements. On the top right here, this is the navigation pane that you can always see in any page that you're in to find your way around the portal. At the bottom here, any contact information for us, including our social media channels that you can keep in contact with us. If you have any questions, there are some emails below here or phone numbers to get a hold of us. So first thing we're going to want to do is set up a payment method. For us, it shows manage here, but for you, will likely say add. So since we have two payment methods set up here, we have our bank account and a credit card. You're going to want to go to this drop-down panel on the right here, and choose whether a credit card or a bank account is going to be set up. So I'm going to set up a credit card and just click add. You will then input all of this information here, and I'm going to uncheck pay off your outstanding balance once this new payment method has been created. Once you do that, make sure to click save on the bottom here, and it will save your payment method. I'm just going to cancel that for now because we're not setting it up. If you have multiple payment methods, you will see this check mark here for default payment. You can select which one you would like to have as your default payment method that the system will charge if you're on automatic charges. You can also remove or edit any payment methods on this page. So now that payment methods are set up, we're going to want to go and pay one of our bills. So just click here, invoices, and you can see that we have $1.13 owing. It's due, its status, and I'm just going to click view. This will show your invoice details and summary here, when it was posted, when it's due, and the amount that's due. This button here will say make a payment, so click that, and then select which way you'd like to pay. I'm going to use my credit card today, and I'm going to pay the whole thing off, so $1.13. Then click pay, and you will receive a receipt email into your inbox. So easy as that. Next thing we're going to do is run a statement. So you can either access statement on the main homepage here, or as well up here by clicking statements. You're going to generate for any custom period, select the dates on the left, and then the statement style is the detail, whether you'd like it very granular or a little bit more high level. If you have children accounts, such as profit centers, or you're invoicing different departments separately, you can select whether to view only the parent activity, only the child activity, or both altogether. Once you click generate, a PDF will be created, and this is what it will look like. We'll show all of our information, your customer information, the period in which the statement is for, and I chose a detailed version, so every single transaction in and out of the account. As you can see, it's quite long, and this will help you with any kind of reconciliation that you might need to do on a monthly, quarterly, or annual basis. Once that's done, make sure you log out by clicking in the top right navigation button here, and click log out to make sure everything is secure. Any questions, please reach out to accounting@mobilizz.com, and have yourselves a great day.